Kick back and relax with the casual vibe of the Marco chocolate sofa from Behold Home. Seat 3 comfortably with its full 96-inch width. This collection makes a statement with generous padded rolled arms, updated traditional silhouette, and supple chocolate brown faux leather upholstery. The back and seat T cushions are reversible, adding additional long wear, as well as easy to re-fluff and shape to keep your sofa looking its best. The arms and frame are accented with a rustic nailhead trim, sitting on a dark stained turned bun foot for added character. The Marco chocolate sofa is sure to coordinate with a variety of existing decor. 4 included patterned throw pillows add a pop of extra aesthetic appeal. Quality construction assures you of long-lasting comfort and durability. The dimensions of the sofa are 96 inches wide, 39 inches deep, and a height of 38 inches. The dimensions of the matching love seat, 71 inches wide, 39 inches deep, and a height of 38 inches. The available oversized chair and a half measures 58 inches wide, 39 inches deep, and the overall height is 38 inches. The matching ottoman measures 47 inches wide, with a depth of 25 inches, and the height is 19 inches. Make sure to carefully measure your space before purchasing. Behold takes great pride in knowing the dedication and workmanship that is displayed in each and every piece that they produce, and their promise to you is this: you won't find a better quality product at a better value. This collection is quality built and American made by Behold Home in North Mississippi.